The 6 steps to successful drenching using the Drenchmate. First, prepare the drench. Read the directions of the drench product that you're using. Mix the drench powder thoroughly with warm water. See Figure 1. Close the Drenchmate lid to prevent spillage. Let's go drench some cows. Step number 2, prepare the cow. First of all, ensure the cow is well restrained. Figure 1. Keep the cow's head low to ensure a direct path to the rumen. Insert the frig tube carefully. Figure 2 and 3. Engage the nose tongue and hold the tube in place. Step 3. Inserting the hose correctly. Carefully insert the Drenchmate hose until you feel the resistance in the back of the cow's mouth. Pause. She wants to swallow it. Do not force. Let her swallow the hose. Once the hose has been swallowed, feel the throat and make sure there are 2 hard structures. One will be the hose in the esophagus, and the other will be the cow's trachea. Push the hose in all the way past the red mark. This will ensure that you are well into the rumen. Figure 2.
As the tube begins to enter the esophagus, there is some slight resistance. Do not force the tube, but allow her to swallow it. The stomach tube is then passed into the esophagus as the cow swallows. Continue to pass the tube to the desired depth in the rumen. There are a few quick ways to check to be sure the tube is correctly placed in the rumen. You can have a helper listen to the area over the rumen on the left side of the cow while you blow into the tube. The helper will hear air bubbling into the rumen. Normally, when palpating the neck, you will only feel one hard tube, the trachea. If the stomach tube is correctly passed into the esophagus, you can feel 2 hard tubes in the cow's neck, one being the trachea and the other the esophagus with a stomach tube in it. You may also be able to smell rumen gas via the tube.
Step 4. Listen and smell. Before attaching the end of the hose to the Drenchmate pump, hold it to your ear and listen. Figure 1. You should hear bubbling or gurgling sound from the rumen. You should not hear breathing. Smell the end of the hose. You should detect the fermenting odor of the rumen. See Figure 2. Step 5. Pump correctly. Connect the hose to the Drenchmate pump and begin pumping. See Figure 1. An easy, steady stroke should be used. Step number 6. Drain and remove the hose. Disconnect the hose from the pump and hold it high for 10 seconds so that any remaining fluid will drain out. See Figure 1. Blow any remaining fluid out of the hose. See Figure 2. Remove the hose carefully. Disconnect the nose tongue, then remove the fric tube.